Goodson's Adventures. We got a 65-degree day, guys. We're gonna try to catch something.
Really humid out here today.
Yeah.
Like it feels warm out here.
We're at our local reservoir, and we're getting some rain, so I figured the fish are going to be coming up this creek channel, hopefully. I don't know. We'll see. Isaac got a handful, don't you, babe?
I still have this when I'm about to pull my knees up.
Got a mess, y'all. Isaac's losing the poles and stuff's falling out of his pocket. Got this pack weighs about 300 pounds, I think. Alright, y'all, using a water night crawler today. If you remember, if you remember when we come down here last time, we shot a video in the winter, the water was way out there. And then you remember, like I quoted to you guys, that you remember there's a stump right out here, but you guys that make a video when you're out. Like I said, it's a great fishing tip, because when you come back, see, like there's a big rock here that holds fish, all these stumps in here, it ought to be a good time. But we're going to have to try to get it out there in that river channel, see what happens. It's awful windy today. See what happens.
Okay, y'all. We're going to start another fire, which like that other video, I tried to build a fire. Now this is not too dry, y'all. Have to find some.
It's been raining all day.
That's right. I don't think there's none dry, y'all. Unless it's still working. The ends of it's dry. I have to take the ends off. Pretty crunchy, y'all, don't you think? Just
Stuff
trying.
on top, like, baby, to help you out, this stuff right here.
Oh,
dries
yeah.
out the quickest. That stuff that's on top, because that's where the air gets to it.
Well, we found something. We need to break it up, y'all, and get some. We're going to start a little wood fire. Don't smell dry. It smells damp, y'all. Yeah, that's alive right there. Yeah, here's one dry. See how it's white like that, y'all?
I don't think so. I think there's something, probably a yeller belly, y'all. Ain't been out in 2 minutes. Look, oh, it just got off. Just got off, barely had it. Little bitty channel cat, guys. The big ones ain't up running, but the little ones are. That's a good sign. Right here. That's good.
Wind is about pouring out here. This wind's about pouring out here, y'all. Got a little glory out here to start a fire. And here are the trees.
Over there, you gotta put it in that metal thing.
I know, right there.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's fire. Nice stuff.
Yeah, let's try that.
Okay. Probably smoky, y'all. Why it's green? It's trying to start. Come on, yeah. I was right, y'all. Pretty dry. Let me know in the comments, you know, to like our lighters. Because we buy new ones at Menards. But we all just call it meteors because it's a funny name.
Yeah.
This takes a little while to start.
Well, it's probably wet. It's rained about all day.
How about you find you a little bit of trash? Or
There it goes.
There it goes, y'all. Please don't never give up, y'all. Never know. Getting it. Has to get all of this. And see, I think someone had a little fire here, y'all, and we made a bin right here. Made a bin. This lighter's got out.
I think everything's about wet, sweetie.
This is a windproof lighter, so.
all right, y'all. Mama's getting hers out. Done had that one. I hope that just ain't a false alarm on us, guys. So I don't see how you can just throw in one's mouth that easy. Probably today when you don't have any bait, you know how it goes. Yeah, you wear them out like this. See? There's one. I got one on, guys.
They don't get off.
I was in there this time, I think.
We
It's
need
running
some
into
fish
me.
to eat, y'all.
No big ones yet. I think the wind about blowed him in, but man, good eating side. I love them when they're cold water. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. I think she got a better one. Oh, it's been like, I don't know, 10 minutes or so. I think she got a better one. Hope it don't run you into something. You have to kind of bulldog it, baby. There's a lot of low. She got about the same size. Alrighty. Good job, honey. Alright, y'all. You stay tuned. I got a third pole out. If it don't get jerked in, it's right there. Barely can see it. But this wind's rough, beating us to death.
Yeah.
I told her, you better put your hat on because I'm afraid it's going to be breezy, but we got a south wind. So if the wind's out of the south, y'all, you hook them in the mouth. That's what I always say. Yeah, I'm going to start keeping some of these. I like them a hair bigger, but me and Isaac got us a new white stringer, you know, the old school stringers, and we're gonna get it dirty today. So I think that's all. Now we might get lucky. If he's still on there, hold bent over, guys. There we go. Oh, it's running good, y'all. Oh, and I got the camera in my hand and the pole, so hang on. We're pulling drag, guys. I got my light pole out. Probably not any bigger, it's just this is my little bass rod. Right, another school of them coming through. That's a hair bigger. That one hooked yourself though, guys.
Good job,
So
Beth.
another school, that's a hair bigger, about half a pound bigger. This is the third one in about 15 minutes, guys. They're ice cold. This fishing this one's got a smaller circle hook on it. And the trick to these guys is you can buy these from Bass Pro, but you got to take your pliers, put that bend in them. They don't have that bend in them. I just don't like them as much. So night crawlers, guys, early in the year, you can't hardly beat them. That and shad. So stay tuned. Putting them on the stringer. All right, y'all, we back. Slowed down a little bit, which we figured. Been about another 15 minutes. We ain't got a bite yet, but I'm gonna show you. I hate my backpack getting dirty, so I always try to find a dry place to put it. And this is Isaac's snack bag, fishing bag. It's her bucket and worms.
Which Daddy, when he gets hungry, he wants to take my snack, so I let him.
He shares his snacks. You're funny. All right, y'all. So that's that little cooker. Love that. I think it's still going. Getting close on gas. We'll have to get a new one. And this is that.
Is it? I think it's going.
Not sure what it's doing, y'all. But that little coffee maker. This little thing's awesome.
Coffee in that.
Yeah, you put coffee in the bottom of it, this cup, and then I'll show you guys.
Can I hold the camera?
Yeah.
Okay.
But when you
take your little rest. Oh, there we go.
But let's see what's going on here.
And now,
I think the wind
Daddy's
blew this thing out or something. I think
hey, you can't just leave the gas on. That's hot.
yeah,
Daddy messes stuff sometimes.
All right, y'all, you hear that?
That sounds like a jet. Don't it, Daddy?
Yeah.
It's been hot down here, y'all. You can see them cooking.
I had it down too long. The wind blew it up.
See the heat waves? That's how you can tell.
But when that boils here in a minute, we'll show you how I do that. It makes a good cup of coffee, guys. So, and it fits in the backpack. It does a good job. Isaac said I had a hit on this pole over here, though. You can barely.
I did see little bumps.
You can barely see it. It's on point, but we're going to recast out. I don't know, maybe just a school of fish come through, guys, but it's slow this time of year. I mean, we're not up. When it starts staying 50s and 60s, 70s, we'll be good. So stay tuned, you guys. Yeah, I think you're getting a little bite on that. It's bouncing, but it's a little. You missed one, baby? Did you told me good job earlier, guys. I didn't hear. I told you good job. I said, oh, thank you, baby. So,
well, we love y'all.
We ain't done yet, are we? Waiting on the coffee, guys. It's gonna boil here. It gives it about 3 to 5 minutes here. So, alrighty, stay tuned, guys. Tell them.
Something weird got here, guys. Think it ate Daddy's hook off.
All right, guys. Well, we just paused you for a minute, and
yeah.
My pole, I said, babe, my pole, and it was laid plumb down like this in the water, and I thought it was about to get drug in. She goes over, and my line's instant broke. Now, this 20-pound line, guys. I'm not supposed to be breaking my line with 20-pound line around here. We're not fishing the Mississippi River.
Yeah, we're not.
I don't know. Maybe a bad spot in my line, guys. So stay tuned.
Yep, stay tuned.
I'll retie again.
Daddy. You was running like you should have got that
This
one.
fish, guys, just about got my pole.
Woohoo!
However big
Live
it is.
action. Yee.
That's a better one.
Live action. Yee.
Just about got my pole jerk go, guys. Here's the reservoir channel cat. For about a 2-pound fish, you can jerk your pole in. That's what we're looking for right there. They pretty here, guys. We've caught a lot of them, ain't we, Mama?
Yeah, we
Real
sure have.
pretty channel cat.
Good job, Dad.
Thank you, baby. In this place, she's caught a 19-pound channel cat, so you can only imagine how much bigger that is. Wife's caught the biggest one so far, 19 pounds. We might be getting a little bit bigger one coming in, guys. That makes some good slab meat right there.
Yeah.
So,
We really like
I'm saving these for you guys, and we will. Hopefully by the weekend, I'm going to show you guys. I'll be filleting these fish you see today, and then we're going to show you how I cook them on the grill.
Oh yeah,
Louisiana style. Blow, wind, blow, shoot fire, boy.
shoot fire, boys.
Golly, guys. Alright, we've had 2 false alarms and 2 poles about got jerked in again. They still got off. We throw it over there, my other pole's over in the log jam, because you find the log, they're sitting tight on these, so on them logs, guys. Man, this wind is killing us. My wife's tired of her hair blowing everywhere. She said, can we go to the bridge? Mama wants to go to the bridge. She's tired of that wind.
That's okay. We can go.
We can try it. We're gonna pack up here, guys. Try and finish my cup of coffee, and we are still getting hits. It's been a little slow. Man, this wind though, you can't hardly even throw out. I mean, it's probably a good sustained 20, 25 at least. So straight up out of the south. I hope y'all can hear us good. But we still got the 3. We throwed the other little one back. We've caught 4. 2's got off, and 2 about jerked their pole in, and we didn't get those in. I don't know how they split the circle hook, because I throw it over here in this log jam. My pole's right there, and throw it over in that log jam, and it got no time it took off. And we broke 2 of our lines off, got hung up. But man, you guys, this wind's just, it's getting pretty annoying, really. And Isaac, check out his new little crank thing. Show him that, baby. We love that thing.
Well,
it plays
FM
music.
radio.
Yeah, it has FM, but you have to keep it down, yeah. So, but good job, and we love that thing. It's a life gear, and it's really nice. It keeps us up informed on
also a flashlight, y'all.
and a flashlight. Check
And
it out.
2 modes.
Nice. We love that little thing. And a new gear, guys. We got quite a bit. We got a little flint thing. We're learning some camping skills for Isaac.
In the middle of nowhere, you
Yeah.
have to crank it. So
It never goes dead, guys. You just
if you're,
crank that thing.
Get bored of cranking it, you can have this USB thing.
We got a USB charger on it too, don't it? It's stiff.
It's stiff.
That's okay. You don't have to pull it out. But it's got a USB charger to it, guys, right there.
And just keep cranking it till it gets charged. Takes
Well.
a long time.
We sure made a mud hole mess, guys. We're going to clean this up. We're going to see if we're going to get our crappie poles out, guys, and try to go. I'll probably take the cat poles because I just love catfish and never know. And there's some monsters in this little lake. I mean, that's about as big as this place is, guys, what you see. And then this river channel comes about right there, down that edge down there. So the fishing probably would be a little better on that side because that is the river channel side, but everything backs up in here. And it goes on around all the way over to the bridge, which is over here in this creek fed. So when you get a night like we got last night with some rain, these fish will move up on these 60-degree days. There's a birdhouse over. Isaac's saying there's a birdhouse, and then we tease each other, say, "Look, there's a minion. He's a minion," don't we? But we have fun with that, me and Isaac. So we say, "Look, the minion got it," don't we?
Yeah. That's what we do.
All right, y'all. So stay tuned. Might be a long video for you guys, but
Yeah.
we're taking you with us. Is what we're doing, and we're getting some fish on the stringer. They down there. That one's good size. Now that's kind of a normal size for this lake. I mean, it's nothing to catch an 8 or 10 pounder out of here, which I don't want to eat. But
Green light.
the green light. I mean, just charged. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, y'all. We changed spots, and we are out of the river channel over there, but we got one. Ain't throwed out. I don't know, a couple minutes here. Another eating size. Good job, sweetie.
Thank you, dog.
Just throwed it out. We're just about out of bait, guys. Kept these worms for over a month. Kept them alive so we can use them. Waiting on this weather, I'll be able to catch some more tonight. What'd you find? Treble hooks. Hey, Mama's got another one put on there. You know what, baby? Mama's got another one put on there. Your lucky pole, Mama.
Yep, I like the one.
Camera's gonna die on us, so we're gonna finish this bait up, and then we're gonna close y'all out. Stay tuned.
Well, that's not ventures, y'all.
We're getting rained on now, guys. We got another patch of storms coming in, I think. We're gonna end this video before we get all soaking wet, but we did catch one at the new spot. We're not able to reach the river channel, so no crappie yet. So stay tuned. We'll have hopefully get into some crappie soon, but we gotta go. Goodson's Adventures. Subscribe and like and comment, and
Yeah.
that's the fishing tips I got for you. Turn your circle hooks and cast in the logs. That's where they're at. Love you guys. Subscribe, like, keep watching. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned, y'all. Bye.
Bye.